Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a real short video on how to check a relay and how a relay works. Should be pretty straightforward. So anyway, I'm just going to go over how everything works and do a simulation so you can see. Actually, I'm doing this because I'm testing the relays to make sure that all the pins are where I think they're supposed to be. So anyhow, I'll go over that real quick with you and enjoy. So the relays that I'm using today are they're just standard Bosch style relays. Nothing special. I bought them off of eBay. I think they are like $2 a piece, and they come with 5 pins in them. I depinned the red one because I don't need it according to the information that I received. So you have 4 pins left. Just to give you a quick overview, that's what the relay looks like. One's power in, one's ground, one's constant power, and one goes to the item you're trying to trigger. So anyhow, I've got a mock-up here. We'll go ahead and go over that with you and make sure the relays work. Okay, so according to my research, black should be constant ground, which goes to this red wire that's hooked up to the negative of the battery. Blue, right here, should be hooked up to the positive and be 12 volts all the time, which is hooked to this little doodaddy right here. The alligator clips are to my power probe, which I'm going to use to test this. Let's see here. Yellow is the accessory. Now this yellow wire is hooked to the test light right there. So in theory, when I add power to the white wire right here, that test light should kick on if everything is according to the research that I've done. So let's see if that happens or not. Let's get you so you can get a better angle. All right. Okay. Hey, look at that. Hear the relay kick on? Oh, here, let me turn this off. Hear the relay kick on? Yep, that's how it works. So the white wire goes to the toggle switch, and the yellow wire goes to whatever you want to turn off and on, whether it be a fuel pump, a fan, a computer, whatever. Fantastic. So the relays work like they're supposed to. I hope this information was useful for you, and I appreciate you watching my video. And if you have time, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel out a lot if you could do that. And anyhow, we'll see you next time.